Good afternoon, everyone, and good afternoon, Ma'am Dr. Rizalin M. Gulman. I am here today to present to you our research proposal. I am Cristina D. Santos, and my group mates are Acacia Irish, B. D. Guzman, and Zabril A. Pukis. Our research proposal is entitled Macahiya mimosa pudica L. Plant Extract as Alternative Mosquito Repellent Spray Base. As we all know, mosquito can carry severe disease like malaria, dengue fever, and yellow fever in many foreign areas. To protect ourselves from diseases and to prevent transmission of the dengue viruses, using mosquito repellent is absolutely an important precaution. The overview of the study. This study focuses on the effectiveness of Macahiya mimosa pudica L plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base. Significantly, it seeks to answer the following sub-problems. Number 1. What are the active constituents of the Macahiya mimosa pudicaline? Number 2. What is the level of the effectiveness of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base in terms of accuracy? Number 3. What is the level of acceptability of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base in terms of time? Number 4. Is there any significant difference between the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base and the commercially prepared product in terms of time? And number 5. Is there any significant difference between the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base and the commercially prepared product in terms of accuracy? Significance of the study. The researchers were intended to contribute an information and improve the knowledge of the people about the use of Macaya extract. This study will benefit the following sector of the society such as community, students, school, and future researchers. Community. It will provide individuals with further information regarding the usage of Macahiya as mosquito repellent so that the community has another option on using the alternative mosquito repellent product. Number 2 is the students. This study will assess them to discern more about making a study that can help the society and also facilitates them to search more about the study, that is to discover the other ways to improve it and to make it more useful in the near future. Number 4 is the school. This research will also be beneficial to many schools because mosquitoes are also widespread in school. The study and protect might be used as alternative repellent against mosquito. And the last one is the future researchers. This study will serve as their basis if they are interested in studying another usage and to determine the other beneficial effects of Macahiya that will also help their community when it comes to their health and safety. This research will serve as their motivation to do more research and inspire the other researchers. The objectives of this study was to determine the active constituents of Macahiya, to determine the level of effectiveness of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base in terms of time, to determine the level of acceptability of the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base in terms of time. To know the significance difference between Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base and commercially prepared product in terms of time, and to know the significant difference between Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray base and commercially prepared product in terms of accuracy. And here are all the materials and methods that we use in our experimentation. A. The collection of materials. The materials that the researchers used was gathered from the respective barangays of the researchers, the Barangay Malacanang, Barangay Inirangan in San Carlos City, and Barangay Dalagiring in Urbis Tondo. B. Preparation of materials. The researchers prepared the materials that was to use in the experimentation. This study was conducted at Barangay Inirangan, Barangay Malacanang, and Barangay Dalagiring in Orbos wherein the researchers performed the procedures for the fulfillment of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent. Letter C. Boiling of Macahiya plant. A set of collected fresh Macahiya plant were washed rigorously with distilled water. The researchers boiled all the Macahiya plant in a boiling pan until it reaches 100 degrees Celsius. Letter D. Extraction of Macahiya. The researchers strained the solution and collect the extract. Then the researchers measured the plant extract and poured the plant extract into a container to serve the extract of the Macahiya plant. Letter E. Mosquito culture. The mosquito larvae were collected from the stagnant water in the respective barangays of the researchers. The larvae were developed and grown into adult mosquitoes. And letter F. Formulation of spray. The observed extract of Macahiya plant were put into a clean spray container. As Table 1 shows, the active constituents present in Macahiya mimosa pudicaline are alkaloids, tannins, flavonoids, phenols, saponins, cardiac glycoside, and mimosine. Level of effectiveness of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent is spray-based in terms of accuracy. In this table 2, the experimental group has obtained 96.67% of effectiveness in terms of accuracy. With this, the researchers present the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based is both safe and efficient. The level of acceptability of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based in terms of time. As shown in this table, the level of acceptability of Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based in terms of time is 18.21, while the control group obtained 28.27. The researchers cite this as evidence that the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based is small, expeditious, and effective in terms of time than the control group. In this table 4, based on the statistical treatment using the t-test formula, the t-computed value obtained 2.27 with a degrees of freedom of 4. The t-tabular is 2.132. The t-computed value is greater than to the tabular value. Therefore, the null hypothesis will be rejected. This means there is a significant difference between the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based and commercially prepared product in terms of time. The significant difference between the Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based and commercially prepared product in terms of accuracy. Using the statistical treatment t-test formula, the researchers computed that the t-computed value is obtained 1 with the degrees of freedom of 4. The t-tabular value is 2.132. The t-computed value is less than to the tabular value. Therefore, the null hypothesis will be accepted. This means there is no significant difference between Macahiya plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based and commercially prepared product in terms of accuracy. Conclusion. Based on the data that have been presented, analyzed, and interpreted, the researchers have drawn a conclusion that the Macahiya plant extract can be used as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based due to the presence of phytochemicals like alkaloids, flavonoids, phenols, cardiac glycoside, tannins, saponins, and mimosine that can are needed to perform action against mosquitoes. These findings strongly support that the researchers and claim the Macahiya mimosa pudica plant extract is extremely effective at killing and making mosquitoes repel. The t-computed value obtained 2.27 with the degrees of freedom of 4. The t-tabular value is 2.132. The t-computed value is greater than to the tabular value. Therefore, the null hypothesis will be rejected. This means there is a significant difference between the Macahiel plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based and commercially prepared product in terms of time. The decomputed value obtained 1 with the degrees of freedom of 4. The tabular value is 2.132. The decomputed value is less than to the tabular value. Therefore, the null hypothesis will be accepted. This means there is no significant difference between Macahiel plant extract as alternative mosquito repellent spray-based and commercially prepared product in terms of accuracy. And here are all the references that we use in our experimentations or in our research.